Meet Thi Ha. He's my 31-year-old Myanmar housemate, and although he's not a first grader, English is a second language for him. In the sequence of Phonemic Awareness Activities, I will be demonstrating an activity that focuses on blending and segmenting of phonemes. The activity is segmenting with Elkonin sound boxes. By the end of the activity, students will learn phonemic awareness by segmenting words and with blends and digraphs into sounds. To do this activity, you need to prepare a card with 4 empty boxes at the top, and then you need to have some colored objects that the students may use to push into each box for each sound that they hear. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to say a word. For each sound in the word you hear, push one object into one box. For example, the word is fish. In this word, we hear f, e, sh. Very good. Fish. F, e, sh. Can you say that? F, e, sh. Very good. How many objects did we move?
3.
3 sounds good. Let's try another one together. My word is fast. Let's do it together. F, a, s, t. And we need another object. Good. How many sounds are in the word fast?
4.
4 sounds. Good. Can you say the sounds with me one at a time? F, a,
S.
t. Very good. Continue to segment words together until you feel the student is confident to be able to segment words by themselves. My word is task.
Task.
Perfect. Let's try another one. My word is crash. All together?
Crash.
You got it. My word is sing.
Sink.
Good. My word is swing.
S. Wo. Swan.
You got it. Let's try another one. My word is stray. Stray.
Stray.
Continue with more words as necessary. Thanks for your help, Thi Ha.